Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Twitter, X, not sending verification code. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the correct phone number or email linked to your X account. Check that your phone has Signal and can receive SMS by sending a test message to another number. If you use email verification, open your inbox and also check spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your network connection. Restart your phone completely to clear temporary SMS and app glitches. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because wrong time can block verification requests. Update the X app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. Force close the X app. Then open it again and try requesting the code one more time. If the app still fails, switch to a different connection like Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, or mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Disable VPN and proxy apps temporarily, because they can trigger security blocks on verification. On Android, open Settings, Apps, X, and clear cache. Then reopen X and try again. On iPhone, offload the X app or delete and reinstall it to refresh app files cleanly. Check your SMS inbox storage and delete a few messages if your phone is full. Confirm you did not block short codes or unknown numbers in your phone's message settings. If you use a dual SIM phone, set the correct SIM as default for SMS and retry the verification request. Wait 10 to 15 minutes before requesting a new code, because too many attempts can trigger a temporary cooldown. Request the code only once and wait, because repeated taps can delay or cancel earlier requests. Try logging in from a different device or from a browser at X.com to see if the code arrives there. In the browser, clear cookies and cache. Then refresh the page and request the code again. Make sure your mobile carrier is not blocking international or automated SMS, and contact them if needed. If your number is VoIP or virtual, switch to a real mobile number because X may reject VoIP verification. For email codes, add X.com and Twitter.com to your safe sender list. Then request a new code. Check your email mailbox is not full, because a full mailbox can prevent new messages from arriving. If you recently changed your number or email, ensure the new contact method is fully confirmed on your account. Go to X Help Center and search for a login verification code not received to open the correct support page. Submit a support request with your username, country, carrier, and a clear description of what you tried. After support submission, keep your phone available and avoid more code requests until you get a response. Once the code arrives, enter it immediately and complete the login or security step without switching apps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.